This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the basics already set. Now take action. Open the PlayStation app and sign in using the identical PSN used on your Ps4. This links devices. Once signed in, tap the Ps4 icon to view recent captures. Make sure your console is powered on or in rest mode, otherwise the app can't access captures. If you don't see the clip, use Remote Play to wake the console and confirm the clip exists in Capture Gallery before proceeding. Now retrieve and transfer the clip. Navigate to the game's page or the messages conversation where the clip is listed. Tap the clip preview to open it. You'll see download, share, and trim options. Choose trim if you need to shorten the clip, then select download to save it to your device. If the file fails, try share to send to yourself via chat, then download from the chat thread. Keep patience. Large files may take extra time depending on network speed. Finish by confirming the clip is usable. Open your phone gallery and play the saved file to verify audio and video. Once done, you can edit, upload, or back it up to cloud storage. Compress if the file is too large for a target platform. If the clip didn't download, make sure PlayStation app has storage and network permissions, sign out and back in, and reconnect to your Ps4. One key tip: restart both devices and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.